Hello there. I am Laura from Mindful Light. Today we will be talking about guided mindfulness meditation for beginners. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool for reducing stress, improving focus, and promoting overall well-being. However, for beginners, the process can be overwhelming, making it challenging to get started. Fortunately, guided mindfulness meditation can help make the process more accessible and less daunting. Here is a guide to get started with guided mindfulness meditation. Choose a comfortable space. Find a quiet, comfortable place to meditate, free from distractions. You may want to invest in a cushion or mat to sit on, but it's not necessary. Sit in a chair, on the floor, or wherever you feel comfortable. Set a timer. Set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can gradually increase the time to 20 or 30 minutes. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Pay attention to how it feels as you inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Follow the guide. Find a guided meditation online or through a meditation app. There are many options available, so choose one that resonates with you. A guided meditation will provide instructions on what to focus on and how to breathe. Observe your thoughts as you meditate. Thoughts may arise. Instead of getting caught up in them, simply observe them as they come and go. Imagine that you are watching them float by like clouds in the sky. End the session slowly when the timer goes off. Slowly bring yourself back to the present moment. Take a deep breath and open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel before returning to your daily activities. In conclusion, guided mindfulness meditation can be an excellent starting point for beginners. By providing instruction and structure, guided meditations can help you develop the skills needed to practice mindfulness on your own. As with any new skill, it may take time and practice to become comfortable with the process, but the benefits of mindfulness meditation are well worth the effort. Start small, be patient with yourself, and allow yourself to be guided on this journey of self-discovery and inner peace. You may consider subscribing to the channel to be reminded whenever we drop a new video. Thanks for your time.